going, Ashley? Where are you going, Ashley? I mean, Butterfly. Hi. You Butterfly? So cute. They have butterfly wings at Nordstrom these days. It's like an accessory for your clothes. I like it. I like it. Ash, do you like it? Do you like butterfly wings? What do you think, Ash? Yeah, it's good? What do you think, Brayden? Good? It matches your outfit really nicely, Ashley. Somebody's turning into a real curly Q here. Brayden's measuring his foot. Oh, yes. You are a size 12 in boys? What? Really? Pretty big for a boy. What do you think? It's pretty good? What size are you, Ashley?
Put this on. Up. Ashley!
Off she goes.